Welcome. In front of me I have 70 my Dashcam Pro Plus, and I will show you how we can turn on or turn off driving time reminder. You have to find the settings and hit this button, then go for the system settings. Right now we have to scroll down, and here we got the driving time reminder. So let's enter, tap right here to enter this option. And as you can see, right now the reminder is set up, so here we can change other things like continuous driving time or voice alert method. And that's all. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher another time. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.